Getting more answers tonight from police about how they handled a recent missing persons report. Tasha White went missing and was found dead a week later. Her family and many in the community are questioning whether LMPD did enough to find her. Addie Miners has been pressing police for answers. She joins us live. Addie, you spoke to the chief today about the family's concerns.
Yes, and the biggest question being asked repeatedly by family is why a public alert was not issued by LMPD for Tasha White. Now, on Friday, LMPD did release a statement saying that they did not have enough evidence showing that Tasha White was in danger after both checking her home and talking with her family. Now, I spoke with her family as well, specifically Tasha White's sister, and she tells me they feel frustrated by that because they feel like they did stress to LMPD that something was seriously wrong. Now, today was the first day that we were able to talk to Chief Paul Humphrey and ask him a few more questions about this case.
We operated based on the information that we were provided by various sources, including the family. And from what I can tell at this point, the information that we provided was acted on appropriately.
Chief Paul Humphrey says LMPD did all they could legally do when they went to Tasha White's house on April 30th after her employer requested a welfare check. Family says they met police at White's house in the Park Hill neighborhood, but the officer did not go inside.
I know there might be some misunderstanding about, well, why didn't we search her house? Why didn't we track her phone? She was an adult. If my sister calls you and says that I'm missing, I still have rights. You can't just get a search warrant for my phone or my house because my sister says I'm missing.
The police report provided to us by LMPD shows Tasha White was officially reported missing on May 1st by one of her siblings. 6 days later, her body was found by a person walking in a wooded area near Buchel. The family questions why a public missing persons alert was not issued. Police say they did not have enough evidence to do so.
Had we had information that was discovered after the fact, that may have changed things, but we can't act on things that we haven't been told or been made aware of by other parties.
So I asked the chief if his team has reviewed their policies in light of this case.
We sat down as an executive staff with our legal team and reviewed our policy, and we put that out to you all. And we feel pretty comfortable with our policy the way that it is. It complies with the law.
Family says they feel like race played a role in LMPD's response to this case. So I asked the chief point blank.
As far as race playing a role in this, no, it didn't.
Now, another thing that the chief did say today is that more information regarding this case would be available soon and that it would provide more clarity.
Addie, any word on suspects in this case?
Actually, no. Police say LMPD did tell us today that no arrests have yet been made in this case.